Logitech S715i upgrade. This is my screw pack. This is for Allen key, and I'm now opening the machine. This is the battery side. Now look at the battery. Very small. It's not even up to the big one you are seeing down here. It's a small lithium battery, 1.2 volts. Now we'll be removing this. There's a screw here that will prevent you from opening the machine. You have to take out the screw. This is 1.2 volts by 3, making it 3.6 volts battery. And we'll be replacing it with this. This single one alone is 3.7 volts, which means it covers for that 3 battery there. But I'll be adding this battery 3, making this machine battery life 3 times stronger than it was before. That is what we'll be doing right now. But we'll be having a challenge. Where am I going to assemble the battery? Because definitely it's no longer going to enter here. This space is too small for that battery. So we'll be looking at a space inside the machine where we can assemble the battery. Now we are in, and I'm breaking down this to see if I can assemble the battery there, which I'm positively thinking that it will work. Now, this 3 battery can actually go here, but it will be blocking this base spring, but there won't be a problem. Now, time to check my battery voltage. Check the other one. Now, time to assemble the battery together. Sellotape it. Now, a single one of this battery represents this entire tray that I removed from this machine. Means if this machine's battery originally lasts for 5 hours, if I add this tray, it will last 15 hours. This is what I'm doing, and this is why I called it battery upgrade. Now the battery will sit here. Now it's for me to solder the plug. Now I'm testing the battery, because the battery upgrade is complete. It's on and off. Now it's time for the Bluetooth module. I'll be needing the left, right, and ground of this aux jack, which means I will be opening these screws and turn back the board. That's where I will get it. Here's the Bluetooth module. Now I open the board. Be careful. This is the sensor. This machine, mind you, this machine also uses remote control. This is the sensor for the remote control. Now I've added the wires for my module, left, ground, right. Testing it with a sound before getting a power for it direct. Now, and this is another important part. I had to get this 3.7 volts from that tiny IC there, because I need this module to go off once I switch on the machine and switch it off. If I switch it on, the module will come on, switch it off, and the module will go off. And this is it. The upgrade is complete. The machine now has its Bluetooth, and this is the machine playing its sound. Thank you. Subscribe for more.